FullContact just came out with a Slack integration, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to use it so that anyone on your team through Slack can start to look up emails as well as company domains and get a little bit of data enrichment on those profiles so they can better target those accounts. So stay tuned for this video. Hey everybody, this is David with TechSmart Boss here. We're going to take a look at this company called FullContact. They are a data enrichment. They do quite a lot. They can manage your contacts. They have a great API. I talked about the importance of data enrichment on episode 47 of the podcast. So if you're not listening to the podcast, definitely check out TechSmart Boss Podcast. Episode 47, we talked to you about the importance of integrating with companies like FullContact to be able to tap into their API and enrich your customers. I'll give you an example of what they do. I'm going to go into integration. And one of the things that I'm particularly interested at in this video, I'm going to integrate it with my Slack because we use Slack as the hub of communication for my company. I like the fact that they have HubSpot coming, but let's click into Slack and look at a couple of these screenshots. What they allow you to actually do is you can do FullContact, put in a web domain, or put in a person's email, and it's going to go out there and pull back all that they know about that particular person or company with some metadata about their title and their LinkedIn address, their Twitter, anything that's out there about that person or that contact, they're able to go out there and get. And what's valuable about that, and what I talked about in the podcast, is you can then segment those users a little bit more intelligently. You can then send them the right message at the right time, and you can have more of a personal. And that's how you cut through the noise. That's how you can build that email rapport or that communication with that particular customer or partner that's going to break through what others are out there just sending generic emails. You can be a little bit more personal with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this get started from their Slack integration and see if we can set this up and give it a test and see if it works. What I like, before I even do that, let's look at their pricing model. They have a very nice, very small business model, which is free, where you can do 100 lookups on company or person data. If you do get into more, need more, you see $99 a month for 2,500. And what's nice about this is you can start to integrate it with Zapier, and as you have conversions on your website, you can start to tie that in and enrich the data in your CRM. And I've got a YouTube video out there that shows you how to do that. So go to techsmartboss.com and you'll see our YouTube channel and you'll be able to find that video. Let's go ahead and go back to integrations. Let's go to Slack and let's get started on here. And you'll see that now we're on the Slack page here. We should be able to add this to my Slack. Now I've already kind of logged into Slack, so this should be a pretty smooth process. It'll identify my 5,000 fish Slack. You'll see that this is nice. I can pick a particular channel to post to, which is really great. I'm going to post this into my private channel for my, let's see, what's a good channel to put this to? I'll put this to my sales channel, would be a good one to post that to. Let's go ahead and authorize that. And I'm going to blur out some of my Slack stuff so you won't see all of it. But now it looks like, hey, it says welcome to FullContact on Slack. You can just do that slash, please enter your FullContact API key and sign up. Now, I've already signed up to FullContact. It's a pretty easy one to do. I could probably click this link and get there. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. You'll see when you log in, you get the option of the FullContact app or the developer portal. I'm going to go into their developer portal, and it wants to verify me as a real person. So I'm going to blur out my phone number here and let it give me a code. It should text me a code that I can then go ahead and log in with, and there it is. So let me put in my PIN, and that should take me into, okay, it wants me to go ahead and set my account up. So let me go ahead and do that. And the location of my company headquarters would be in the U.S. in Virginia. So let's pick Virginia. update my account. So that should bring us to that dashboard where we can create that API key. There it is. Now I'm going to blur that out so you don't have my API key, but you'll see that's a pretty simple process in doing that. Now if I go back to my Slack, it says here if I do /FullContact/auth and paste that key in. All right, so that did it. I put in a key and now I'm connected. So now let's give this a try. I'm going to put in some companies here. Let's do FullContact and let's do yahoo.com. That should definitely be out there. And there it is. You'll see it brings it right back there. Tells me number of employees, the year founded. Let's go ahead and do don't forget to put your /FullContact and let's do an email address. I'll just put in myself. See if it doesn't find me. So you'll tell you if it doesn't find you or not. It'll let you know. But now you'll see that anytime you want to have some information about a company or a contact, you can just come into your Slack and put that in there. Let's go ahead and do. I'm pretty sure it's not going to find me at TechSmartBoss. If it didn't find me, it actually did. And you can kind of see here, it pulled in some information from my LinkedIn profile, found my Twitter address and my LinkedIn, and it enriched that data. And that's what you can do with this Slack integration. So pretty cool. Had to jump through a couple of hoops, but hopefully this video will help you get through them a little bit faster than I did. And now on this free plan, I could do 100 per month, which is perfect for me and my team. So if you like these videos, stay tuned. We'll have some more coming out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also subscribe to our Facebook page, facebook.com/TechSmartBoss. And check out our homepage, TechSmartBoss.com, and find all the other things that we're doing. Stay tuned for another video soon.